Hello, and thank you for joining me for today's guided meditation. I invite you to find a comfortable position to meditate in, whether it's in a chair or on the couch. And let's just take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath together. And as you exhale, let your body relax. Let's take another nice, long, deep cleansing breath. And now we're going to relax the body, sending the message to every muscle to relax and to let go. Become aware of your feet. Just send the message, relax. Become aware of your calves. Relax. Allow your thighs to relax. Pelvic area, the buttocks, all letting go and relaxing. Relaxing your hands and forearms and shoulders. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Letting your abdomen and stomach relax. Becoming aware of the muscles in your back, the upper, the middle, the lower back. Relaxing your neck, the front and the back and the sides. And then relaxing your whole face. Just send the thought to your forehead, your cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your lips, your tongue. Relax and let go. Relax and let go. And now just be aware of the flow of your breathing in and out of your nasal passages. Like you're watching the waves rolling into the shore and going back out to the sea. Just watching your breathing. And when your mind wanders, just bring it back to watching the breathing. Not fighting your mind, not criticizing yourself or your thoughts. Just noticing when your mind wanders and bringing it back to the breathing. And now as your breath flows in, mentally think the words, I am. And as your breath flows out, spirit. If you want to choose a different word, you can. I am spirit. And now let's take a nice long deep breath. Let go of watching the breath and just be. Just notice what you might be feeling in your heart or whatever inside of you draws your attention. Just focus on that and see where that takes you. Might want to ask Spirit a question. Ask the universe a question. Yogananda used to say, ask the question at the point between your eyebrows, focus your attention there, then listen in the heart for the answer. Let's try that. Is there a question or a challenge you face? Ask at the spiritual eye and then listen. Now, whether you received an answer directly now or just pay attention over the next few days, maybe write the question on a piece of paper and see what comes to you over the next few days, and just trust that you're going to be guided and directed in coming to finding an answer. And let us now include our friends and family and all people in this awareness of God's presence, of Spirit of the universe, flowing into us, through us, as us. And we trust that activity flowing into them, people everywhere. And we are so grateful. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for joining me for this meditation, and I look forward to meditating with you again next time. We'll see you then.